Jason is a young man who struggles to get things done. He will always say,
"Oh, I'll do it tomorrow or the next day."
but that task never gets finished. And when he sees you getting stuff done, he will always say,
Why are you getting stuff done?
Then he will go to the Discord chat room and say to the group,
"This guy's a loser beyond self-improvement and changing his life."
Meanwhile, Jason does dick all. He just plays video games and watches messed up porn. Don't end up like Jason, man. So you want to stop bullshitting yourself saying,
"I'll do it tomorrow or the next day."
Luckily, my friend, this video has come to your rescue. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to get things done. Before we get into the video, I got a question to ask. How was your day? Because I really care for you guys. Answer in the comments below. Sorry for wasting your time. Pay attention. Let's get into the video. There are 3 reasons why you're struggling to get things done, which I'll reveal later in the video. Number 1, mental health. Mental health is very important when it comes to productivity. If you have a little weak mindset, then you'll procrastinate and do nothing at all. I have expressed mental health through all my videos and all of my time on YouTube. Here's how to fix your mental mind. Do meditation. Now, a lot of you guys probably heard of the concept of meditation, but you didn't really pay attention to it. And for those people that don't know what meditation is when you sit down in the room and focus on the breath, or really just anything. Just focus on that single thing. You might think this is weird. Some guy on the internet named Sharp-Minded saying meditate, but trust me guys, this works. I want you to meditate for 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes. Not 10 minutes, not 30 minutes. 5 minutes. When the benefits of meditation start to kick in, your mental health will be way better than before. And with a strong mindset, it equals more productivity. Number 2, a lack of discipline. People in this day and age don't really have a strong enough discipline. They only work when they feel like doing it. And when they don't feel like it, they don't do it. You've probably experienced this. You know you have to do something, but you just don't feel like doing it. Here's something that I found. You should control your emotions. When you feel lazy or tired, use those emotions as fuel to do the hard task you have to do. If I may be honest with you guys, I didn't feel like writing a script or recording this, but I didn't let my emotions take advantage of it. I used my laziness as motivation to write this script and to record this audio. So don't let your emotions dictate your life. Control it. Number 3, a lack of sleep. I bet most of you guys have a horrible sleeping schedule. Here's how to fix your bad sleep schedule. Set a bedtime schedule for yourself. For me, it's before 11 p.m., but it can be different for you. Not after 1 a.m., just no. Before 12 a.m. is what I recommend. Just follow a bedtime ritual, and you'll start to see your performance improve. And a better performance equals a more productive person you'll become. Here's another thing. When you are on your device, go to settings, display and brightness, and hit the night shift. Then set a timer. This will help you sleep better because your screen without the night shift, your eyes will be exposed to blue lights. And blue lights will make it harder to fall asleep. I personally like to set it for 7 p.m., but it could be different for you. So go to your device and make sure to turn on night shift. These are the reasons why you're struggling to get things done. And once you start to improve these, then you'll start to get things done. For the people who have stayed until the end of this video, I just want to say thank you for watching to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you got any value from this video, and also hit that little bell to be notified. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.